Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Google My Business to Looker Studio. Okay, now this is the Looker Studio dashboard. All you want to do is come to the left hand panel, click on create, and then click on a data source. Then just type in Google My Business. Okay, and what we're going to do, we're going to integrate using Supermetrics. So just wait for this to load up. I'll show you the connector. Okay, this one right here, Google My Business by Supermetric is the #1 connector. They give you a 14-day free trial. Just go ahead and click on this and then click here and authorize. You'll have to choose the Google account that you want to use. So I'll go ahead and choose this one right here. Okay, and this pop-up, we need to sign into Supermetrics. Come here, click on continue. There we go. Then come here, make sure you allow the permissions. Okay, and we just wait for the connection to go through. And now we need to click on authorize. So that one was for Supermetrics. This is for Google My Business. Okay, click here and authorize. That was for Google account and Supermetrics. Now here we need to authenticate our data source. So here we go. We need to sign in with Google. Click on this one right here. Okay, and there we go. It'll ask us to choose our Google account. I'll choose this one right here, which has these businesses. Okay, so I'll come back here, click on continue, and we just need to go ahead and scroll down. There we go. And as you can see, it says it has connected successfully. You can just come here, click on complete and continue. Okay, and now it will redirect us. There we go. We need to close this window. The authentication was successful. Now here all you need to do is choose the different parameters. So I have, for example, this business. I can choose, okay, choose the languages. And at the end, just come here at the top right and click on connect. Okay. And now we're bringing in all of this data. So you can see, just come here and create a report and you are done. So it's being created using Google My Business. Really that easy and simple.